work-life balance. Actually, there's a new definition. It's not work-life balance, it's working with clarity. So if you have clarity, what you want to do.
Hi.
Shivam?
Hi. It was great and मजा आ गया.
We share the goodies as well to the students and the faculty.
All, thank you so much for coming, and really it was really engaging.
Hello everyone, welcome to Evolving Career Vlog. मैं हूं हितेन वर्मा and this is my team. Meet Shubham, मेघना. So आज हम जा रहे हैं क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी. वहाँ से हमको इनविटेशन आया था एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर का पैनल डिस्कशन के लिए. उनका कुछ फेस्ट चल रहा है एंड देयर इज सम टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू करियर की स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आगे करियर में क्या करें उसके ऊपर एक पैनल डिस्कशन होगा. तो देयर आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर. सो अभी सुबह के 9 बज रहे हैं एंड हियर वी गो. हमारा वहाँ पे टाइम 11 बजे का है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो. सो गाइज अभी हम यहाँ पे क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में आ चुके हैं. लकीली मंडे का दिन है और हमें ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. तो हम अपने अराइवल टाइम से आधा घंटा पहले पहुँच चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर वेटिंग इन द गेस्ट लॉन्च. आई विल शो द गेस्ट लॉन्च. दिस इज द गेस्ट लॉन्च ऑफ क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी. ठीक है. दिस इज शुभम. शुभम, हाउ आर यू? गुड गुड ना. सी मेघना, गुड रेडी है ना. सो नाउ वी आर वेटिंग कि जब हमारा डिस्कशन शुरू हो. पहले यहाँ पे हमारा शायद से आई थिंक विद फैकल्टीज एंड HODs हमारा लंच होगा एंड देन वी विल हैव द पैनल डिस्कशन. सो हियर वी गो. शुभम,
Hi.
तो अभी वी आर हेयर फॉर द लंच. एक्चुअली जो हमारा अभी पैनल डिस्कशन है वो अभी 1 घंटे बाद होगा. तो दे हैव ऑर्गेनाइज लंच फॉर अस. तो हियर वी विल डू लंच एंड देन वी विल डू अ टूर. पूरे इसका यूनिवर्सिटी का कैंपस टूर करेंगे तो वो आपको दिखाएंगे एंड देन वी विल हैव द पैनल डिस्कशन लेटर ऑन. ओके.
डाल दे रहे हैं.
Mr. Hitan Verma, founder of People Nexus and Evolving Career, and a distinguished chief career advisor. With over 16 years of experience in recruitment, HR consulting, and career development, he has helped build powerful workforces across India and has successfully guided more than 10,000 candidates into the right career opportunities. Through Evolving Career, his career advisory podcast platform, he invites experts from diverse fields to share real insights and guidance for students. His mission is to bridge the gap between education and meaningful employment, empowering today's youth with clarity and direction. As a token of our gratitude and respect, I would request Dr. Saurabh Prasad to present Mr. Hitan Verma with a sapling as a symbol of growth, appreciation, and our sincere thanks.
The student moderator for today's panel discussion is Mohammad Ayan. Thank you.
Before we dive into the panel discussion, we would like to inform the audience that we will be conducting an interactive Q&A session after the panel discussion.
And leadership. So in classroom, we often learn about management through frameworks and models, but today's our objective is quite different. That is to understand how strategy leadership actually operates inside modern organizations, especially in the era defined by AI, digital transformation, and talent shifts and human-centric leadership. So we are privileged to have with us 4 professionals who represent 4 critical pillars of modern corporate leadership, which is finance transformation, people and careers, human behavior, and organizational leadership.
The company do proper research about the company background, job description, company details. Is this the right cup of tea for you or not? Don't make a mistake, because once you join and if you leave the company within few months, then it will spoil your resume. Because no one hires people who work only for a couple of months. So before joining the company, do proper research.
Where do you see the largest disconnect between what the corporate leaders want and what students are preparing for?
I'll say CTC. The students are trained only to one word, CTC. What work will you give? That CTC will fulfill. Very, and most people who teach the CTC thing don't know anything else beyond CTC. Beta CTC अच्छी मांगना, beta CTC अच्छी लेना, beta इंटरव्यू ले जाओगे तो. That's what they are taught. Imagine.
Agree. Actually, there is no one answer for this. CTC, majorly, if I'll put it in a word, wrong expectation setting.
CTC is a wrong expectation. They will give you whatever their rules are for your position and for your understanding and for your experience or whatever education you got. They will give you. Every company wants to give their employee more than less. But we've been told नहीं इतना तो लेने बेटा 15 लाख तो होने की 15 30 लाख तो होने की बेटा 45 मांगना तुमको 45.
Yeah, agree. I have seen so many cases like this. See, it depends on person to person, candidate to candidate. Again, a graduate fresher can earn 4-5 lakh package, 7-8 lakh package as well, 10 LPA, well, depending on company. There are startup companies, they actually pay more. If you join a startup company, they will pay you more. Why? Because they want to attract talent. Where old company like let's say L&T, a 90-year-old company, they will pay you less.
Learn from.
Yeah, because they are not selling job, they are selling their brand. Whereas startup company, they don't have anything to sell because they are new in the market.
They don't even have money to pay, by the way.
Yes, and they are paying you, let's suppose 10 LPA. 10 LPA means, let's say 85,000 a month, right? They are not paying you 10 LPA if they are paying you only for 3 months. That's close to 2.5 lakhs, right? But if a big company, MNC, they are paying you 5 LPA, at least they are paying you for a year. So there's a difference. So point over here is wrong expectation setting, and 2000% agree. Okay, and I would also like to say same thing. Keep your personal and professional life separate. These are both different things. Personally, you can be introvert, you can be anything, but professionally, as per your profession, let's suppose you are in communication job, so you have to talk a lot. Even your nature is introvert, so you have to act professionally and keep things separate. Most of you are freshers, so all of you I guess, and finding your first job is easy. Not very easy, but you will have basic questions about yourself, about your basic skills, strength, weakness, etc. But when you reapply in your second interview, second job, there's one big question which everyone fails. Reason for leaving. Reason for leaving. That's the question where HR actually grills you. Because this is where you know the negative part comes. No one leaves a company happily. If I'm happy working in a company, I will never leave. I work for 100 years, no problem, right? I only leave the company because of some negative reason. Be it manager, be it salary, be it the location, be it the relocation, be it the promotion, be it the jealousy of my fellow members, like they are getting promoted, I'm not getting promoted, or I got 8% increment, someone is getting 15% increment. The reason is always negative, and the HRs, they know that the person never leaves happily. So this is the point where you need to make sure if you are leaving the company, you should have a very good reason for leaving the company that you can justify later on. Because here, that's, I call it duktiness, HR key, duktiness, because they can manipulate you. This is the point where they actually negotiate कि भाई इसकी तो ये कमजोरी है तो इसका तो हमें पैकेज कम कराऊंगा मैं. किसी ने ये कंपनी छोड़ी क्योंकि उसको वो दूर पड़ती थी या वो 6 days वर्किंग थी, मेरी कंपनी 5 days वर्किंग है, तो एक काम करना, देखो पैकेज में 10% दूंगा मैं, बट लेकिन 5 days दूंगा, बिकॉज नाउ द पर्सन, द इंटरव्यूअर, ही नोज कि आपकी दुखतीनस क्या है. तो इसीलिए मेक श्योर व्हेनेवर यू लीव योर कंपनी इट शुड बी मतलब मिनिमलिस्टिक नेगेटिव.
No negative, please. From today, if you didn't get anything out of this R1, take one thing. We don't have the liberty of privilege.
Interview actually they judge your personality, what kind of person you are. If you are saying negative things about your previous organization, one day you will say negative things about me as well in future, right? So this is how they judge your personality. Because in HR, in interview comes psychology as well. One more thing, never lie. And HR can judge you. The way you say good morning, hi, how are you, anything, they will, they will know that you are lying. People use medical reasons that, I took a break, I got injured, this, that, or there's a death in family, etc., etc. There are so many main reasons. I have, in a day, I listen 100 of lies. 100 of lies. And I'm not very, very practical. I'm also emotional. But if someone is telling me that I met with an accident, I don't feel sorry. I'm so sorry, but I don't feel sorry because 99.9% it's a lie. I know that. So इसीलिए मेक श्योर कि झूठ मत बोलो एंड अपने रीजन को बैक करो हमेशा जो भी प्रेजेंट होता है. करियर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो मेक श्योर यू चूज योर करियर वाइसली. सिर्फ पैसे मत भागो. पैसा बहुत कंपनी दे रही है. शार्क टैंक आता है मार्केट में, अभी कितनी सारी कंपनी खुल चुकी है. स्टार्टअप आज खोल रही है, कल बंद हो रही है, फंडिंग मिल रही है. उनको कहीं ना कहीं अट्रैक्ट करना है, ऐसे हायर कर लेंगे, प्रोसेस करेंगे कि हम आपको ये देंगे, वो देंगे, बाइक देंगे, कार देंगे, इंटरनेशनल पैकेजेस देंगे घूमने के लिए वंस इन ईयर. अरे वंस इन ईयर देंगे कैसे? आप वहां तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे, 2-3 महीने करके छोड़ दोगे, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा है, इसीलिए मेक श्योर कंसल्ट एवरीवन, कंपेयर एवरीथिंग, एंड व्हेन यू चूज समथिंग स्टिक टू इट.
For a person to say that, yeah, this is the time that I should resign, because all of you have more than a decade of experience. Some of you might have experience even more than how old I am. So taking that into the consideration, you all might have taken a resignation from your first companies as well. That's why you guys are sitting over here. Some of you are entrepreneur as well over here. So considering that, when did you personally took the decision that, all right, this is the point I will be resigning, and when should these students or the upcoming graduates should take the decision that yes, this is it?
Okay, first of all, respect is a two-way thing, as I said, right? So it's a two-way thing. And if you talk about resignation, so if you are an entry-level employee, let's say you have like 2, 3, 4, 5 years of experience, so at least work 2.5 to 3 years in the beginning. 3 years, yeah. 3 years is something. And before you resign, always find backup job, like give multiple.
Don't ever resign without finding another job.
Yes.
Don't be jobless with a resignation letter. Very, very bad situation.
Right, and one more problem comes with the notice period. In many companies, there is like 90 days notice period. That's a big challenge. Company wants you to serve 90 days of notice period, and if you give an interview in some company, they want you to join immediately. What to do, right? So this is a situation which we need to kind of adjust. That's where communication skills, as you said, communication skills are very, very important. So that's where your communication skills matter. Communication skills doesn't mean speaking English. It means how you communicate. Narendra Modi, like he speaks in Hindi.
How you convince.
है ना? तो अगेन आप कैसे बात करते हो, आपका क्या बॉन्ड है आपके मैनेजर के साथ, और आप अपने एचआर को कैसे कन्विंस करते हो. अगर हम किसी कंपनी में 3 साल काम कर लें तो और हमें पता है हमें छोड़ना है, तो वी कैन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लीव्स इन आवर केटी. मतलब हमें जो एनुअल लीव्स मिलती है हम वो इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं साथ साथ, एंड कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी लीव्स एडजस्ट करते हैं. दूसरी कंपनी जो हम ज्वाइन करते हैं वहां पे हम उनसे बाय आउट का ऑप्शन, नोटिस पेड बाय आउट का ऑप्शन, ये भी हम पूछ सकते हैं. तो वी कैन एडजस्ट दीज थिंग्स एज वेल. एंड अगर आप मिड लेवल में हो, सीनियर लेवल में हो, जहां पे आपको 10 साल तक एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है, तो आई रिकमेंड कम से कम 5 साल तो काम करो एक कंपनी में, टू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो. एंड वन लास्ट थिंग, चेक टॉप 100 प्रोफेशनल्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड उनका आप करियर टाइमलाइन देख लो. यू विल गेट द आइडिया.
Beautiful.
देयर इज नो गारंटी ऑफ प्रमोशन एंड ग्रोथ, राइट? जैसे कि 18 साल के बाद यू बिकम एलिजिबल ड्राइविंग के लिए. आप लाइसेंस बनवा सकते हो, बट गाड़ी चला सकते हो या नहीं चला सकते वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपने गाड़ी चलाना सीखा या नहीं सीखा. तो सेम थिंग आफ्टर 1 ईयर और जो भी टाइम होता है प्रोबेशन पीरियड या जो भी होता है उसके बाद यू बिकम एलिजिबल, बट ग्रोथ की गारंटी नहीं होती. हाँ, 2 साल हो गए बैक टू बैक 2 years इन अ रो, यू आर सेइंग देयर इज नो प्रमोशन, नो ग्रोथ. ओके, टेक द डिसीजन, बट ठीक है. बट लेकिन कुछ लोग ये सोचते हैं, आजकल मैं देखता हूं कि लाइक रीजन फॉर लिविंग देयर इज नो ग्रोथ. टाइम क्या हुआ है? 11 महीने. उनका 11 महीने भाई एटलीस्ट साल तो पूरा कर ले, है ना? थोड़ा और टाइम काम करो, गिव सम टाइम. इतना जल्दी सब कुछ नहीं होता. आजकल ये ट्रेंड भी है, घर पे खाना 10 मतलब आधे घंटे में आ रहा है, ये स्विगी जोमेटो 10 मिनट में आ रहे हैं, तो एवरीवन वांट्स थिंग्स वेरी वेरी क्विकली.
2 minutes noodles.
तो
It's not 2 minutes noodles.
Patience is the key. Good research, because check reviews. There are so many platforms where ex-employees they give reviews, so you can check, right? Although 99% reviews are negative, if no one will post anything positive, right? If you are receiving your food via Swiggy and you are happy with your food, you will not give a positive review. But what if there is something negative? Then you will definitely post. So reviews are mostly negative. In this case, so you have to do research. And let's suppose by mistake you join a company, then you have to switch again. So we can't do anything in this case, right? So nothing can be done. But yes, do research. Check the company profile. Check when the company was founded. How many employees are there in that company? And like if there's by any chance you can check out few profiles on LinkedIn of their employees. Talk to them personally. How's the culture, right? So this is something you have to gamble. If you don't know about the company that much, if the company is not very, very big, if the company is very big, let's say 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore like that, then so you know the company is big, but the company is small, then you have to do your research before joining the company. And always give multiple interviews. Don't give a single interview. You should have multiple offers in hand before making the final decision. Work-life balance. Actually, there's a new definition. It's not work-life balance, it's working with clarity. So if you have clarity, what you want to do, working 10, 12 hours is easy. It's not toxic. But if you don't have clarity, like you don't like your job, मजा नहीं आ रहा, 5 घंटे भी मुश्किल है काम करना. जब होता है ना कि अपने पसंद का काम करते हैं तो 10-12 घंटे भी कर लेते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता. मेन होता है कि आपकी क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि आपको करना क्या है. इफ यू आर डूइंग व्हाट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू, यू विल नेवर फील दिस टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट. एक्सेप्शंस आर ऑल्सो देयर, जैसे कि बोला मैनेजर से कुछ वो हो सकते हैं, बट 90%, 95% will not feel.
99% they are not there. Just 1%.
I'd like to call Dr. Saurabh Prasad for presenting Mr. Hiten Verma with a memento as a token of our gratitude and appreciation.
भी किसी को भी कुछ भी डूज एंड डोंट्स रिगार्डिंग योर इंटरव्यू जानना हो, they can consult me. I take sessions like what to do and what you should not do during your interview. क्या बोलना चाहिए, क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए, इसके ऊपर. Thank you. सो गाइज अभी हमारा वो डिस्कशन पूरा ख़त्म हो चुका है. यहाँ पे स्टॉल्स थे, हम वहाँ गए थे, हमने स्टॉल्स देखे. एंड अभी कुछ देर हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे
We
यूनिवर्सिटी.
share the goodies as well to the students and the faculty.
सो नाउ वी विल लीव इन सम टाइम. एक फाइनल टूर कर रहे हैं एंड देन वील लीव. So Vanshika, how was the experience?
Hello sir, first of all, thank you so much for coming, and really it was really engaging. Like we got to know so much about all the things, like why should we not retire and more stuff about our corporate life.
Okay, so that was Vanshika. She was the POC for today. Okay, and इसी के साथ we would like to end this. अभी like we will be going there यहाँ पे parking में, and then we will share the final work date. सो गाइज नाउ वी आर बैक. अब हम वापस अपने घर जा रहे हैं. आज का दिन कंप्लीट हुआ. शुभम, हाउ वाज द डे?
It was great and मजा आ गया.
मजा आ गया.
It was really fun.
Fun. तो वी हैड लाइक इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इज वेरी वेरी नाइस. मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा अंदर से एम्बियंस है. अभी अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज मंडे है तो हमें निकलना पड़ रहा है, बट इनका भी क्रिसमस का कुछ शुरू हो रहा है, इवेंट, म्यूजिक एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वी विल बी मिसिंग दैट पार्ट, बट एनी विच वेज इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी गुड डे. इट वाज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. एंड अगर मैं आपको बात करूँ तो स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी वेरी नाइस. हमने जो डिस्कशन किया पैनल में करियर को लेके कि स्टूडेंट के करियर में क्या क्या करना चाहिए, तो आई थिंक इट रियली वेंट वेल. आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. साइनिंग ऑफ. बाय बाय.